Okay, so let's go. We will start our today's session. So first of all, hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine with ArcGIS Pro and also QGIS. Okay, so basically, in this online training program, we totally focus for beginners who don't have any knowledge about the coding, mainly GIS or remote sensing. Don't knowledge about that. You can easily learn all of those. Okay. So I think some participant will be busy. So that's why I will start because after completing the live training, then you also get the recorded session and you can easily practice with the recorded session. Okay. So before starting, just one by one, kindly introduce yourself. Okay. Basically, it also help for us when you give the certificate. It also help us for verification. Okay. Just simply tell me your name, your country name, and also affiliation. Simply. Okay. Yes, please.
Shall I start?
Alaikum assalam.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Omar Fikrat. I am from Iraq. I work now in the University of Kirkuk, PhD degree candidate for remote sensing and GIS.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Next, please. Yeah.
Hello, hi. My name is Abdul Abnan, and currently I'm in Saudi Arabia, working in Taus University as a staff in geomatics division.
My name is Shia. I am from Iraq, PhD student in environmental GIS.
Okay, thank you. Next, please.
Hello,
Yes, please.
my name is Tavisha and I'm from Thailand. And I joined this course because I want to learn more.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's start our presentation. So basically, in this online training program, we try to focus for beginners. If you have no knowledge about the coding, mainly Python or JavaScript, even if you don't know about the GIS or remote sensing, don't worry about that. I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are become to develop any kinds of remote sensing application using Google Earth Engine. As well as also learn how to work with ArcGIS Pro and also learn how to work with the QGIS. Okay. So another participant also join. Okay. So we just introduce with this person, then we start. Yes, please. Please and Philor, please. Just tell me your name and your country name and also add your appellation.
Hello everyone. Can you hear me very well?
Yeah, I can hear you, please.
Yeah, my name is Jeff DeSentler. I'm originally from Haiti, and now I'm in Gainesville, Florida. I'm a master's student at the University of Florida.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Then I just try to, first of all, I try to explain about that our total full course content. Okay. So after completing the total 7 days training program, what you learned from me, then we start out today's session. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?